This quick video is about how to download and backup iPhone photos and videos to your Google Photos app. Okay, let's see that. First open App Store and type Google Photos. Now open this and install this. Now open the app. Continue. Allow access to all photos. Allow. Now choose the email ID by clicking this. And here also you can backup your files. But for now, let's see for already installed users. So I just skip this. Yeah. Now you can see all your photos and videos except your hidden images and videos. If you wish to backup those hidden images and videos, you need to unhide that first. Then only you can see those photos and videos here. And to backup all your photos and videos to Google Photos, click here and here select your email you want to backup. Then you can see this option. Just tap turn on backup. Here make sure it selects original quality. Then click confirm. Wait for backup process completes. That's it. Now all your Photos app images and videos are backed up to Google Photos. And you can see these backup photos and videos on Google Photos app, or just visit photos.google.com on any browser or on PC or laptop. There you can easily find your backup photos and videos. That's for now. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.